Hi guys, I'm Bethlehem, and this is one of my spoken words, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Here it is. See, I won't cry 'cause my cable is off while someone's sleeping in a mud bed, someone not sleeping in a loft, and the lost boys of Sudan picking up AK-47s before they even touched a pen and a paper, fighting for their freedom, regained with the loss of another flesh, another bloodshed that shouldn't be. See, freedom came so easily with birth, so how dare one man tell another man's worth? We all may not have the same ideals, beliefs, or religion, but we all share the fact that we are all human, and that's scientifically proven for the non-believers. You have the right to remain silent or speak your opinion without the intrusion of the line of respect between what makes you and I human. And I'm just another human, so I won't call out no names, but the more I sit and think of the world, the more I go insane. I can't bear to witness the level of hatred being displayed in front of me. Leaders claim to fight for unity and peace while their actions contradicting what they speak, and the real criminals are at the top, but nobody pays attention. Blood of thousands in their fingerprints, but their hands have been their weapon. They sit proudly in their thrones, silently behind closed doors, giving orders, sitting behind TV screens with designer ties and shirts, fabricating up lies, talking about in God they trust. But had they truly trusted in God, they would fear Him. But being in the presence of so much money and power was so addicting, got them wanting to segregate politics from religion. And once it's accomplished, an innocent poor man who doesn't agree with the system will be in jail until his wealth is proven not innocence. Let's face it, you're stereotyped with how much you got, not your wisdom. No more money, no problems. And had they truly believed in God, they wouldn't be purposely sinning, sending troops to foreign countries to kill without any logic reason, coming back home with legs and hands missing, till watching bodies being blown and being in the presence of war became sickening, causing emotional illness and tormenting depression. And to risk all this, after all this, ask an American veteran what he has accomplished. If putting a bullet through another civilian made him feel the so-called patriotism.